Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Focus. In this video I'll show you how to set navigation route. To set navigation destination, let's go to Navigation, and go to Menu. Now, search and enter address. You can select from previous address, homework, favorites, POIs, or you can simply enter address. Tap Start and it's done. To stop navigation route,
Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
select X here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.